What's up, everyone? Tonight I'm in Burbank. I'm gonna be dashing out here, and yeah, I'm gonna score pretty big on DoorDash, make some cash. So I just got a new dash out towards Studio City, and this one's a $65 order pickup, so I'm hoping it's a good outcome.
Cash rules everything around me. Cream, commitment, encouraging another dream.
So I stopped at Prosecco Tortorio and picked up the $65 order, which ended up being $94 on my Dasher credit card. And you want to save the receipts, hold them just so you can be accountable and reliable for your receipts. It's always smart. And this order was really like only 2.5 miles away, so it was a good order, a good pick. Yeah, I'm really excited for the selection. So this is my second night dashing for 2 hours roughly. Last night was like 2.5. I'm gonna dash 2 hours tonight, and overall I'm probably gonna bring in around $32 if I make the tips. As you enter into different complexes that have like gated entrances, so it's not always really easy to find parking, especially on busy streets. Burbank, Beverly Hills, Manchester area, all those areas. So I'm waiting right now. So this customer that I just dropped off their meal to was apologetic and nice about it. However, it took about 15 minutes for me to go through the apartment complex, which was like a maze, and then meet inside of the middle of the area. Oh, I got another dash. Hawaiian bar. Sometimes you get orders that are like local and they're only like 0.2 of a mile, but then you have to drive like approximately like 3 miles or something like that. And I'm hoping that this one, because it says it's like 2.2 miles away, so this one's like $6 pretty quick. This Hawaiian barbecue grill was like a real easy success, not too difficult. The directions were meet me out front. Those are the directions I like. I don't like to like go through the apartment complexes like a maze and go through all these different channels and directions, and it just causes a lot of confusion. Like, can you please come outside? Where's your door? Stuff like that. I'm at the Jinditai waiting on an order that was only literally like 2 minutes away. Not even 2 minutes, like literally like. And the last customer, he was all about music, like talking about native instruments, how he makes beats, how he's been listening to the new Eminem Godspeed album. Customer that I dropped off the order to from Hawaiian Barbecue, he was a big Eminem fan. I told him about my music, and he was like, yeah man, what is your Spotify? Right there he put out his phone, he followed me on Instagram, and he had a good personality, very good personification. It was interesting to meet someone that was like-minded, and he made beats as well. He's a producer for a little while, telling me he used the Machine Micro, and it was pretty cool to touch bases with them and get acquainted. Yeah, DoorDash is pretty lit. I'm at some place in Burbank, Jinditai, waiting for my order. Sober life, drinking water. So one thing I disagree with that was it was a long wait at Jinditai. I got tom kha soup, it's coconut soup, and I had to wait like 20 minutes, so I was like, damn man, like it felt like 20 minutes, it's probably like 13 minutes or something, but now I'm back on the freeway and this is a 4-mile drive from Burbank. Yeah, so this spot was right next to the spot that I took a break at down at this bar right here, and so I'm gonna go up in here in Granville and check it out, get some steaks. Pick this up. It's a good night. I think I'm gonna call it a night after this though. I would not advise doing this. I wake up at 7 a.m. and work from 8 to 5, and then I'm working now at 10 p.m. It is hard, it is to the core, and it is cut, but I just got a lot of ambition lately, and it's God's plan. So I'm in here receiving and doing what needs to be done just to finish and keep others eating, because I'm eating, they're eating, I'm happy. I just ate a poke, some sushi. Now I stopped at Greenville and just drank a Diet Coke. I'm on my way now from an order I dropped off from Greenville, those 3 steaks. And I dropped it off at a hospital. And the guy told me to not drive through where the police park and bring people that are off the streets that are getting a med clearance and stuff. That's where I drove through in the parking. But it was really easy because I just had to drop it off. I didn't have to get out my car. And the guy just took the mail from there. The guy that works at the hospital. So, next step, let's get this money at Wingstop in downtown Burbank. It's a dual order from Wingstop. It's a big order too. We got drinks, Coke, Dr. Pepper, 2 orders of Wingstop all in one. So I got 2 dashes at once. Double pay. So yeah, it's getting late. I'm getting tired, but I'm still wired and doing this. So don't stop, don't quit. Stopped at 2 Wingstops. Now I'm on to San Fernando Road, more towards my area in Van Nuys. So I'm heading out. Van Nuys on a touchdown tonight. I'm getting burnt, but like tired. I'm burnt, but I'm ready for this shit. I've been up since 7. It's 12 right now. AM almost. No, it's 11 right now. So I'm on my next birds right now. Out here at midnight. What's up, bro? So I guess it's just a street vendor and someone wants this chicken bad. So why not? Slanging birds. What that is? Some chicken sandwich with fries. Some special sauce.
On my own, it was my survival. No one else.
Thank you everyone for watching. Enjoy and make some money with DoorDash.